I want to share with you some hidden AirPods features that you probably didn't know about. So let's get started. Starting off with tip number 1, Live Listen. This feature will allow you to amplify your hearing by using your iPhone's microphone and playing that audio directly into your AirPods. To enable this feature, simply go to your settings, go to Control Center, and then make sure your hearing control is enabled. Now you'll be able to go to your Control Center and select the hearing icon. Then select Live Listen while your AirPods are in, and now you'll be able to amplify your hearing. Now before we go on to tip number 2, if you're enjoying this video so far, make sure to smash that subscribe button so you don't miss any more of my content. Now jumping into tip number 2, within that same hearing icon, you can also enable background sounds. This feature sounds exactly like it is. It plays soothing sounds in the background, which is awesome if you'd like the soothing sounds of the ocean while you work, or if you'd even like to go to bed to the wonderful sounds of a flowing stream. Now of course, you don't need AirPods or even headphones for this feature, but I thought I'd include this feature in the video because it's really nice for me when I'm writing a script for YouTube, just to have an AirPod in while I'm writing the script. But anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and will consider subscribing for some more tech content. I'll see y'all in the next one.